evening. Myself Sangamitra Gautam from Southeastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides from Eastern Region. Now, today's headlines. Delegation of Bharat Scouts and Guides is participating in 42nd World Scout Conference. East Central Railway State and Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized Fit India Freedom Run. Sadbhavna Divas was organized by Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. COVID vaccination drive was organized by Southeastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides. Festival of Bonding Raksha Bandhan was celebrated by the members of Odisha and East Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Fourth vaccination camp was organized by Tinsukia Badarpur and Marini District Association of the Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway. Raksha Bandhan festival celebrated by Tripura State Bharat Scouts and Guides of members. The Rover Scout of William Nagar, East Garo Hills, Meghalaya State distributed groceries and Corona kit to the COVID-19 affected persons at Sampalgri village. The Meghalaya State Bharat Scouts and Guides North Garo Hills District Association organized one-day COVID-19 vaccination campaign. Ms. Banela Freda Swer, Assistant State MOP Coordinator of Meghalaya, was invited by the Boy Scout of Philippines to attend a meeting for the celebration of the 10th anniversary of Messenger of Peace framework of the Boy Scout of Philippines. Headquarter District Association, Northeast Frontier Railway, Bharat Scouts and Guides organized a camp craft competition. COVID-19 vaccination camp was organized by NSS unit IQAC in collaboration with Boko PHC, FRU and Amrit Prabha Ranger team. Jawaharlal Nehru College, Boko Kamrup, the Bharat Scouts and Guides Assam. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Sikkim State conducted a beginner course on the virtual platform. State Executive Committee meeting of Meghalaya State organized virtually. Nagaland State BSD announced the results of various competitions conducted to observe 75th Independence Day, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. 5th online reorientation course for trainers. Guide Wing started from 24th of August 2020. Introduction of BSD as a new chapter in 7th class textbook and also the activities as a part of academic calendar in Andhra Pradesh education system. Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka District and Local Organization Raichur received a solemn pledge of goodwill today. Now, the news in brief. At first, national news. For the first time in the history of BSG India, full delegation from Bharat Scouts and Guides is participating in the 42nd World Scout Conference virtually from National Headquarters, New Delhi. Under the leadership of Mr. M.A. Khalid, Additional Chief National Commissioner of the Bharat Scouts and Guides from 25th to 29th August 2021. A total of 20 participants including delegates and observers are participating in the World Conference. This conference is giving the participants a platform to raise their voice on the draft resolutions and the constitutional amendments proposed for the National Triennial Plan, that is 2021 to 2024. Dr. K.K. Khandelwal, IAS retired Chief National Commissioner, Bharat Scouts and Guides, joined the conference during the inaugural ceremony virtually on 25th August 2021. His august presence inspired the Indian delegation. With the mission and vision of a healthier living, members of East Central Railway State and Southeastern Railway State BSG organized Fit India Freedom Run from 20th to 22nd August 2021, in which more than 50 members participated in walkathon and run. Sadbhavna Divas was organized by the members of Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 20th August 2021. They conducted Alfat prayer, took Sadbhavna pledge and also organized sapling plantations program at DHQ Scouting at Adra. Festival of Bonding. The Raksha Bandhan was observed by the members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides in Swarna Purnima on 22nd August 2021. Guides and Rangers of Orissa State Bharat Scouts and Guide observed Raksha Bandhan and tied Rakhi to Sri Atanu Shabyasji, Honorable MLA and President of Orissa State Bharat Scouts and Guide, and to Dr. Kali Prasad Mishra, National Vice President and State Chief Commissioner, Orissa State. Members of Gandhi Open Group, Danapur District of East Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guide organized a Mehndi competition on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan on 22nd August 2021, in which guides and rangers had participated. Rani Bazar Scouts and Guide Unit along with Rani Bazar Open Rover Crew of Tripura State jointly organized Raksha Bandhan festival at the residence of Honorable MLA Sri Ratan Chakravarti. Guides tied Rakhi to Tripura police personnel and BSF Jawans at different police stations, Akhura Checkpost and ICP Agartala. They visited many officials, which was appreciated by the common people of Tripura, and news was covered by print and electronic media. The Maitri Guides and Maharana Scouts group of Delhi State BSG celebrated Raksha Bandhan at Narayana Vihar Police Station to recognize and appreciate the commendable service of Delhi Police as Corona warriors and as the protector of Delhi's law and order. Rangers and Guides of Bihar State Association celebrated Raksha Bandhan with armed forces, police person, local administration and state officials. On 24th August 2021, Guides of Sahara's unit of East Central Railway organized yoga and physical exercise under the Fit India Free Run 2.0. They also created awareness on COVID-19 in local area. On 23rd August 2021, BSG members of Jahanabad district of Bihar organized a cleaning drive at district headquarters under the leadership of Sri Hari Shankar Kumar, District Organization Commissioner Scout. The Bharat Scouts and Guide Alipurduar Division successfully organized 4 days preparatory camp for Rajya Pushkar test from 16th August 2021 to 9th August 2021 at Divisional State Hut APDG. Total 32 candidates participated, including rovers, rangers, scouts and guides. The farewell program for Sri G. Sanyal, retired Divisional Organization Commissioner MBSG, was organized by the MBSG District Unit, East Garo Hills on 20th August 2021 at the DSEO office. The program was chaired by Sri Ricky D. Shira, DSEO, East Garo Hills. Ms. Banala Freda Swer, Assistant State MOP Coordinator, was invited by the Boy Scout of Philippines, Mr. Christina Jakes, to attend the meeting for the celebration of the 10th anniversary of Messenger of Peace Framework of the Boy Scout of Philippines, which was held on 16th August 2021, though Google Meet. During the meeting, they requested the MOP team to perform the MOP beat dance, which is to be displayed on 11 September 2021. Headquarters District Association, Northeast Frontier Railway, Bharat Scouts and Guide organized a camp craft competition on 22nd August 2021 at State Training Center, Maligaon. For the Scouts and Guides, 54 participated in this competition. The competition was for 2.5 hours and each unit was judged. The district headquarters unit organized various online competition during the pandemic in earlier couple of months, in which the awardees were left to be facilitated and were facilitated in this event. Sri Kagiz Das, SOC Scout, was present in this program. For one day, a camp maintaining COVID-19 protocol was conducted by Amrit Prabha Ranger Team. Jawaharlal Nehru College, Boko Kamrup, Assam at college campus on 21st August 2021. Honorable Assistant State Commissioner Dr. Padma Guha Agrawal graced the event. Initiative on SDGs continued by the Rangers of Amrit Prabha Ranger Team, Jawaharlal Nehru College, Boko Kamrup and Swami Vivekanand Group open group under Sapatgram Local Association, Sapatgram Dhubri Bharat Scouts and Guides, Assam. State Executive Committee meeting of Meghalaya State was organized virtually on 23rd August at 11 hours. Mr. P. D. Voglan, IAS Principal Secretary, Government of Meghalaya and State Chief Commissioner of Meghalaya State, chaired the meeting. The revised state bylaws of Meghalaya State BST officially were adopted. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Sikkim State conducted a beginner course on the virtual platform for the unit leaders on 21st August 2021. There were altogether 35 teachers from various government and private schools of Sikkim to participate in the course. Mr. Kamal Doj Lepcha, State Training Commissioner Scout, led the course. Nagaland State BSG announced the results of various competitions conducted to observe the 75th Independence Day, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Uttar Pradesh Bharat Scouts and Guides started online strategy planning review workshop for Vision 2024 on 25th August 2021, in which 40 professionals or volunteers from various districts and states are participating. Uttarakhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted AIDS awareness program in Pithoragarh district on 19th August 2021. Uttarakhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted blood donation camp in Haridwar district on 21st August 2021. Scouts and Guides unit of Yamunanagar organized tree plantation program at Rajkiya Kanya Varishta Madhyamik Vidyalaya, Sabji Mandi, Yamunanagar on 19th August 2021. Shri Satpal Kaushik, District Education Officer, was the chief guest of the program. Shri Sandeep Gupta, DOC Scout, and Srimati Ritu Yadav, DOC Guide, welcomed the chief guest and presented report on contribution of Scouts and Guides in social work. Delhi State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized 4th beginner course for Cub Master, Scout Master, Rover Leader, Flock Leaders, Guide Captains and Ranger Leaders virtually on 18th August 2021. 20 participants attended the course. Mr. Anish Kumar, ASTC Scout, organized the virtual course. The Bharat Scouts and Guides is virtually conducting the 5th ROT Guiding course from 24th to 30th August 2021. The course started was with 38 participants. Ms. Razia Begum, National Commissioner Headquarters for Public Relations, BSG, inaugurated the course virtually. Mr. Rajkumar Kaushik, Director, BSG, Ms. Darshana Pavaskar, Joint Director of Guides Program and Training, Ms. Saroja P. Former Director, BSG, and other invited dignitaries were also present during the inauguration of the course. On 16th August 2021, Andhra Pradesh State Government introduced a new chapter on Bharat Scouts and Guides in 7th class syllabus and also included BSG activities in the academic calendar for the year 2021 to 2022. On 20th August 2021, Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka District and Local Association Raichur received a solemn pledge for Goodwill Day. Mr. Ramareddy Patil, Executive Officer Taluk Panchayat Raichur, Mrs. Aziza Sultan, District Chief Commissioner Raichur, Mrs. Alia Kanam, District Commissioner Guide, and other officials were also present in this occasion. An exhibition of photographs was organized at Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association, Bilaspur, on the occasion of World Photography Day on 19th August 2021, in which all the activities of scouting, including service work being done during the COVID period, were exhibited. The guide company of Shahid Ramkumar Yadav Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Kankir, took a place to protect the trees by tying a thread of protection on Raksha Bandhan within the school premises. Raksha Bandhan was celebrated by the members of Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association, Raipur. Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers tied thread to protect the trees in Government Higher Secondary School, Uparwara Bharat Devangan Government Secondary School, Karora. Bharat Scouts and Guide District Association Bhind, Madhya Pradesh distributed free ration packets to flood victims in the flood affected areas on Sadbhavna Divas and Raksha Bandhan. On 24th August 2021, a contribute meeting was organized at Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides, where district headquarters Sikar paid their homage to late Sri Kalyan Singh Ji, former governor of Rajasthan and former patron of Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Now, it's a time for COVID news. In this time of COVID-19 vaccination drive was organized by the members of Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guide on 21st August 2021 at Bhojodi. On 23rd August 2021, Chakradharpur of Southeastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guide organized COVID vaccination camp at Scouting, Chakradharpur with the help of 30 members. During the vaccination camp, 201 people were vaccinated. Fourth vaccination camp was organized by Bharat Scouts and Guides, NF Railway, Tinsukia, Badarpur and Marini District Association in collaboration with National Health Mission on 19th, 21st and 23rd August 2021 at Dr. Bhupen Hazarika Community Hall, Tinsukia, Assam. In this camp, 500 people were vaccinated with Covishield. The Rover Scouts of William Nagar, East Garo Hills distributed groceries and Corona kit to the COVID-19 affected people at Sampalgri village on the 20th August 2021 under the leadership of Sri Bilman K. Marak, who is the Rover Scout leader. Their service to the community is deeply appreciated. The Meghalaya State Bharat Scouts and Guide North Garo Hills District Association organized one-day COVID-19 vaccination campaign on 18th August 2021 at Dharamrappa village and Sonagrappa village under the leadership of Sri James Kumar Pam, District Secretary. COVID-19 vaccination camp was organized by NSS Unit IQAC in collaboration with Boko PHC, FRU and Amrit Prabha Ranger Team. Jawaharlal Nehru College, Boko Kamre, the Bharat Scouts and Guide Assam at the college premises on 24th August 2021. The program was inaugurated by the Honorable Principal of Jawaharlal Nehru College, Boko, Dr. Tapan Datta. Now, the forthcoming events. 27th Asia Pacific Regional Scout Conference, Taiwan. The timeline of reporting the project Samkalp 2.0 is extended up to 31st of August 2021. For details, refer to NHQ Circular number 75/2021. Webinar on career counseling: how to prepare for joining the Indian Air Force on 31st August 2021. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular number 90/2021 dated on 3rd August 2021. Last date for submission of application of the participants for 10th APR Scout Youth Forum is extended up to 15 September 2021. For more details, refer to NHQ Circular number 98/2021 dated on 6th August 2021. National level virtual training on advocacy campaign and speed trainers for Hero level plastic tire turner challenge. For details, refer to NHQ Circular number 104/2021 dated on 19th August 2021. Thank you so much.